Allergy season is striking, and that's bad news for allergy sufferers, but it also can be really tricky when some of the symptoms are the same as COVID. KCCI's Tommy Clark is here with now how to decipher the difference. What should we know, Tommy?
Doctors tell me always err on the side of testing if you think it could be COVID-19. Now, if you're experiencing body aches, chills, or have a fever, doctors say to get tested for sure. But if you have itchy, watery eyes, it's likely allergies. Dr. Ravi Vamiri at Mercy One tells me shortness of breath is often seen in allergies like allergic asthma, but it's also a prominent feature of COVID-19. So if you maybe have a couple symptoms or you're borderline with some, just get tested.
I think the key differences are nasal congestion, runny nose, sneezing, itchy and watery eyes. You're probably having allergies. If you're not having these things, but having body aches, chills, and fever, it's worth your while going and getting tested for COVID-19.
Now, he also says get vaccinated, adding that now is the time because we're in a race against the virus. The more time the virus has to mutate or pop up as a variant we've been hearing about, that means the more problems we'll see down the road. If people get vaccinated before that happens, we'll all get to the other side of the pandemic sooner.